Hey there, today I have Old El Paso cheesy chicken enchilada style soup. Sometimes canned soups don't live up to our expectations, so let's check this out and see how it is. So here's an up close look at the soup. It does have some, looks like it has peppers in it and maybe some onion, it's hard to tell, but I really don't feel that this can has a ton of chicken in it. It is more broth or liquid than it is filling. Let's give it a taste. So taste-wise, it's nice and creamy. I really do like the creaminess of it. I don't feel that it's too salty for me, but I can taste the salt in it, which is typical of canned soups. It's 350 calories a can. I do wish that it had a little more chicken in it, and that's probably gonna vary can to can. It's a good option for me for a quick lunch occasionally, and I do like the taste of it. So guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.